In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export presets in Lightroom Mobile quickly and easily. If you've ever created a preset and wanted to move it to another device, share it with a friend, or back it up for later, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips. Let's get into it. First, you need to create your preset if you haven't already. Open an edited photo inside Lightroom Mobile. This is important because presets are usually built from adjustments you've already made to a photo. Once your edit looks the way you want, tap the three dots in the corner. From the menu, choose Create Preset. Lightroom will then ask you which settings you want to include in the preset. You can select the adjustments you want saved, then give the preset a name and save it. After that, go to the Presets tab in Lightroom Mobile. Here, you'll see the preset you just created. Find it in your list, then tap the three dots next to that preset. From the options that appear, tap Export or Share Preset. Lightroom will generate a file you can save, send, or transfer wherever you need. That's the full process for exporting presets in Lightroom Mobile. It's a simple way to keep your editing style organized and ready to use across different projects. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Lightroom tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.